Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Watch this video, Why I Love Our Niece. May mga reason po. Number 1, for self-defense and discipline. Control. Practice makes brilliant, guys. For you to become a better martial artist, practice lang po tayo ng practice every day. I practice our niece po to defend myself from bad people when attacked. Number 2 po, learn and explore Filipino martial arts using wooden or knee sticks. It can improve your speed, power. Number 3, practical to use wooden stick weapon. Health benefits niya po is like a workout, healthy lifestyle. It can improve your stamina, your muscle tone, and also cardiovascular health. Number 4, it's super enjoyable. It's fun. You can meet a lot of friends. Positive attitude like good mood, encouragement. It can develop your confidence. Number 5, to develop the skills. Using your hands, using your feet, bouncing, guys, and then the practitioner show respect by means of supporting the beginner to improve. Number 6, benefit po ito for physical, mental, social, emotional, spiritual. It will improve your mobility, flexibility, balance, body coordination, reflexes, and cardiovascular health. Dexterity by means of strengthening or increasing the range of motion in your hands and fingers. Based on books po yun, guys. Ni-research ko po yun. Para fully informed po tayo, fully aware. Do you like the background, guys? It's dahon po yan na parang flower. Dark green po ito. Sa kabila po, guys. Hold on. Ito naman po siya. Light green. Para po siyang flower, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Pa-like naman po, pa-subscribe. Gracias.